Welcome to Milan, the city known for fashion and style, where the streets become catwalks and luxury brands shine. In this video, we will take you on an exhilarating one-day adventure through the heart of Milan, exploring its iconic landmarks and indulging in its fashion-forward ambience. Before our exciting Milan adventure, we spent a memorable stay in the enchanting city of Lucerne, Switzerland. The breathtaking views of the snow-covered Alps and a thrilling day trip to Mount Atlas made our time in Lucerne truly unforgettable. Do check out its complete video available on our channel. Our journey begins as we board a train from Lucerne to Milan, passing through the breathtaking beauty of Switzerland. The first half of this journey is exceptional, as you're going to witness stunning views of snow-capped mountains, lush green valleys, and the stunning Lake Lugano, one of the largest lakes that graces our journey. After a train journey of 3 hours, we finally arrived in Milan at night. We booked our hotel near the city center, so we had to take a cab to reach there. That's our cozy room at B&B via Fontana Milano. It's quite late, around 9 p.m., so we went out to find some nearby restaurant for dinner and ended up finding a Turkish halal food restaurant. Good morning, Milan. Today we are going to explore the heart of Milan on foot. first stop of the day is the awe-inspiring Duomo di Milano, a stunning cathedral that dominates the bustling square Piazza del Duomo in front of it. This magnificent cathedral stands tall at the heart of the city and houses works of art collected over centuries. Although workers and architects began building the Milan Cathedral in 1386, it was not finished until 1965. It took 579 years to build. The Duomo is the fifth largest cathedral in the world and the second largest in Italy. Right next to the cathedral, we step into the renowned Galleria Vittorio Emanuele II, which is world's oldest active shopping gallery and a major landmark of Milan in Italy. This mall houses some of the most luxurious boutiques in Milan. Its architecture is a marvel, featuring an iron and glass roof and an elegant four-story double arcade with a central octagonal dome. And yes, don't forget to try gelato from here. As we stepped out of mall, we came across this sculpture of Leonardo da Vinci.
Keeping me waiting.
we stroll into the Golden Triangle, Milan's high-end fashion district. Here we explored the elegant streets lined with boutiques and flagship stores of world-renowned luxury brands. Let's take a look at some of the lavish outfits and their price tags. After window shopping at luxurious brands, we visited the Coin Shopping Center, a budget-friendly mall that offers a wide range of products, including some exciting makeup shopping. After exploring the city center on foot, we hop into a taxi and make our way to the train station where our journey continues to Venice. And we bid farewell to Milan, promising to return someday. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment on this video.